I've had a few people ask me, oh, you got a key machine? Yeah. I had a house. It had 7 apartments in it. And I got tired of, losing keys and stuff. So I just figured out how to rekey stuff. And I bought a couple machines. And this here, or I got both because I had some that I wanted to do not duplicate. Pretty simple to cut them, it ain't no big deal. You just want to make sure they both, hit one hit. I just took the cover off so it's easier. Alright, so they're all lined up. There's a safety button on here because the cover's gone. So I have to push and hold it. Turn this on. See if it works. Oh yeah. So alright, I haven't done this for a while, and I never claimed to be a professional locksmith. I've done it for people, but I always tell them, hey, I'm not a locksmith. I didn't go to school for it. Alright, now, oh, look at there, I must have been working on rekeying an old Ford, but I forgot about it. And usually, you can make a control key. I'll show you what one looks like. Let's see. It's called I'm not going to use it, but it's called a control key, and it has that notch in there. So when you have it mastered, you can take and put that in there and spin it around, and that whole this here will just pop right out. This here will just pop right out of the lock while it's in the door. This one's already got a key, but I'll make it a different key. You want to get this here cap off because that's where the pins are. And there's springs all in there. You'll see. Oh, see, there's already one trying to poke out. So there's that, and that key's still over there. So there's those springs. Let's take the springs out. You're supposed to pop this out too. See, I forgot things, They give you a tool, but I don't think we use that tool. Okay, that holds that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dump these pins out. All right. See, there's still one in there. Man, so those pins are, there's, I don't remember what's what, but I'm not going to use any of them. Simple deal. Okay, so I just put the key in, and I'm going to put new ones in. You're supposed to know them by the numbers and whatnot, but I don't, because this is the way I done it and learned it, and maybe the wrong way, but it works. So that's all I'm gonna say. I'm sure maybe if some locksmith that's a professional is watching this, he's like, oh man, this guy, what the hell? But yeah, I'm that guy. And I don't want it in there, is it? Okay, so you want it to be, obviously you want the pin to be, you want it to be flush with this, not down. Okay, so that one's flush. Now, this is going to be smaller. Okay, that one's flush. Longer. Okay, so now after you get these ones flush, then you add on the top pins. There's, 5 of them. I got one more to add, and that would be this one right here, of course. If you do it all the time, it's, it's pretty easy, but I haven't done it for so long that, besides on a vehicle, and they're way different. Most of them are. Alright. So now there's 10 pins in there altogether. Those top ones lock it. Let's see. Like I said, I'm not a professional locksmith. Okay, so I got, all the springs are in there. Then you take that, I don't remember what they call it, but I call it a cap. Smack it on there like that. Then you want to put this in here. And that stays on like that. Now, this key better work or I'm going to look like a dumbass. Okay, let's see if this is that old one. That it used to be keyed to. Then you can make a master key or whatever, and then you could have this key for, like, if it was your tenant or whatever, and have a master key, they'd have this key and you could just get in. It's kind of simple to do those too, but it's been a while. I mean, I don't have any excuses how to practice. So there it is. All you guys that asked me about it, there you go. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share.